PNB Q3 FY26 results, net profit surpasses 5,100 crore रुपए with sharp asset quality gain. Punjab National Bank, PNB, has officially released its financial results for the third quarter of FY26, showcasing a powerful growth trajectory and significant fundamental strengthening. The bank's net profit surged by 13.1% year-on-year to reach 5,100 crore rupees, up from 4,508 crore rupees in the same quarter last year. This result pushed the bank's return on assets, ROA, to 1.06%, reflecting superior capital utilization. A major highlight of this quarter is the bank's exceptional progress in asset quality. The gross NPA ratio improved significantly by 90 basis points year-on-year to 3.19%, while the net NPA ratio reached a pristine 0.32%. With a provision coverage ratio, PCR, now at an industry-leading 96.99%, PNB has built a formidable fortress against future credit risks. The bank's global business has grown by 9.5% to reach 28,91,528 रुपए crore. This expansion was fueled by a 10.9% growth in global advances, which rose to 12.31 lakh rupees crore, and an 8.5% increase in global deposits to 16.60 lakh rupees crore. The credit deposit (CD) ratio also improved to 74.2%, indicating more efficient balance sheet management. Profitability was bolstered by a 13.0% rise in operating profit to 7,481 crore rupees. The bank's total income for the quarter stood at 37,253 crore rupees, with non-interest income witnessing a massive 47.2% jump to 5,022 crore rupees. PNB successfully managed its cost of deposits, which decreased to 5.09%, while maintaining a steady yield on advances at 7.69%. The RAM segment, retail, agriculture, and MSME, continues to be the bank's growth engine, expanding by 11.0% to 6.62 lakh rupees crore. Within core retail lending, vehicle loans led the charge with a spectacular 35.7% growth, followed by a 14.5% rise in housing loans. MSME advances also saw robust traction, growing by 18.1% year-on-year. PNB's digital-first strategy is paying off, with PNB One activated users growing 20% to reach 250 lakh. Incredibly, digital transactions now account for 94.86% of the bank's total transaction volume, as the bank continues to innovate with features like WhatsApp-based KYC updates and UPI-integrated credit lines. Financially, the bank is in its strongest position in years, with a capital adequacy ratio (CRAR) of 16.77%, reflecting an improvement of 136 basis points over last year. Book value per share has also climbed to 114 rupees and 9 paise, further enhancing shareholder value. In conclusion, PNB's Q3 FY26 results represent a landmark moment of peak profitability and near-perfect asset quality. With a vast network of over 10,000 branches and a rapidly expanding digital footprint, PNB is well positioned to maintain its leadership in the Indian banking sector. The stock market moves fast, and missing one update can cost you. To stay ahead with the latest company news, quarterly results, and order wins, hit that subscribe button now. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a market beat.